States of matter. Question number 28. Equal masses of hydrogen, oxygen and methane have been taken in a container of volume V at temperature 27 degrees Celsius in identical condition. The ratio of the volume of gases hydrogen, oxygen, methane. See, volume of the gases is directly proportional to number of moles of that gas. Here mass is given equal. So you can write like this. V is directly proportional to N. So N, number of moles, equal to mass upon molar mass. Now mass is equal. Hydrogen, oxygen, methane. All mass is same. Molar mass 2, oxygen 16 into 2, 32. Then methane 16. Then take the smallest ratio, do the LCM. That means multiply with 32. Then this answer is 16 is to 1 is to 2. Which is the answer? 16, 1, 2. So C is the option. C. 16, 1, 2. 16, 1, 2. Next, question number 29. A gas such as carbon monoxide would be most likely to obey the ideal gas law. See, maximum gases are obeying ideal gas law at low pressure, highest temperature. High temperature and low pressure. So first is answer. Low temperature, high pressure. No. High temperature, low pressure. Okay, ये भी तो high temperature, low pressure and high temperature. A and C both same options. Low temperature, ये low नहीं होगा. Reason क्या है? The reason is that for ideal gas equations, intermolecular force is 0 and gas molecules occupying space is negligible. So at higher temperature, kinetic energy is more, so intermolecular attractions are negligible. As well, at low pressure volume is higher. At maximum value, the gas molecules occupying space is negligible. This is the reason. Higher temperature, low pressure is the answer. Of course, here given two options, A and C, both are same. Next, third question. Equal moles of hydrogen and oxygen gases are placed in a container with a pinhole through which both can escape. What fraction of the oxygen escapes in the time required for 1/2 of the hydrogen to escape? You understood the question? See, one container is there, oxygen and hydrogen is there, a small hole is there. Take it. From this hole, oxygen and hydrogen both are escaping. ठीक है. Suppose hydrogen is escaped x liters. ठीक है. So x by 2, to release x by 2, in that time how much oxygen is releasing? X by 2 liters. Whatever hydrogen is released, उसमें आधा release होने के लिए, half of expelled from this. So in that same time, how much oxygen is releasing? So it is a diffusion related question. For the diffusion, the formula is rate of diffusion equal to R equal to V by T. How much volume occupying the gas upon time? Suppose one gas is occupying 10 liters in 5 seconds, that equal to 2 liter per second. This is the one example question. Okay. So here the question is hydrogen and oxygen. Now R hydrogen upon R oxygen equal to V by T upon V by T. The down one is oxygen, the upper one is hydrogen. Okay. Now just you substitute these values. Hydrogen equal to under root of m molar mass of oxygen upon molar mass of hydrogen. Molar mass of. Just you substitute those values here. Already we know that number of moles same, then time also same, because hydrogen releasing half of the hydrogen releasing time, how much oxygen is releasing, so दोनों का time same है. Then so T get cancelled, then substitute those values here. RH2 by RO2 equal VH2 by VO2, that equal under root of 32 upon 2. What is this 32? Oxygen molar mass. This is the hydrogen molar mass. Like in here V volume is, we have to take half. Then why half is a question. In the question asking that hydrogen released then if you substitute those values, VH2 equal to 1 by 2, then VO2 we are calculating, that equal to under root of 32 by 2, that means 16. So under root of 16 means 4, therefore VO2 equals 1 by 8. See here 1 by 8 is the answer, so A is the answer. One by 8. Is it clear? Equal moles of hydrogen and oxygen gases are placed in a container with a pinhole through which both can escape. What fraction of the oxygen escapes in the time required for 1/2 of the hydrogen to escape? Is it clear? Done.